The year is 2020. The mixologist must hunt to survive. The surroundings are familiar, but the common mixologist is nothing without his resources. In his attempt to create the perfect rum punch, he must forage for the freshest ingredients at his disposal. This time of year, the North American sugar tree of southern Alberta has much to offer. Wild limes, while small in stature, are flavorful but difficult to catch. This grapefruit is also a welcome surprise, isn't it? Those who know the way of the citrus shall prosper. After 3 patient years, this yellow label Havana Club rum is ripe for the picking. The harvest is now complete. The cross-pollination may begin. The weather can be unpredictable. As a lactose storm pours heavier, our mixologists must retreat for the evening and return tomorrow. To the mixologist's surprise, the lactose storm proved quite advantageous. Watch as he pours himself this libation, observing the clarity, enjoying the fruits of his labor, a rum punch, nature's great triumph.